Hello guys, now I want to show you how to reset the lights, the maintenance lights on a 2017 Mercedes Sprinter. Okay, so the -7 is off. So first thing, turn the ignition switch off, turn it on to the second position, press this button until you hear a beep sound. Hold on. Okay, after you hear a beep sound, press this one for the menu. Let me get this one here. Here gives you all the information, how many quarts. So here to reset the lights, you have to press the 0 after you press this one to go up for the data. Okay, press the 0 again to reset. Okay, now is reset. Reset the other one too. Done. More done. Okay, that one is not done yet, but the maintenance is done. So what we can do, turn off the ignition switch, turn it on, and we will check. Now the next mileage on 20,000 miles.